You can get the biggest Chanel back in the store if you want it. I gave them the drill, they sucked it up, I got them on it. I bought a new Patek, I had the white, so I two-toned them.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, Ye's Corner, and in today's video I'm going to be giving you guys all a rice water update. So I have been doing the rice water challenge. So basically I'm doing a do-it-yourself rice water challenge for 30 days. Basically using rice water once a week on my hair and tracking if it's going to give my hair any growth. So if you're not already subscribed to my channel, hit the subscribe button, turn on my post notifications so you are aware of when I post, and let's get into this update. So basically I just used it for the third time today. The very first time that I used the rice water, I posted that on my channel, and I definitely noticed right away it helped strengthen up my hair. I noticed that curls were tightening back up. I definitely noticed that it helps reverse heat damage, definitely, and it helps to make your hair stronger. So that was all in my first use of it. My second use of it, I definitely was still having like regular shedding, and my hair still felt way more stronger. And the second time I used it, I did use it in a deep conditioner form. So I did a do-it-yourself rice water deep conditioner where I mixed in avocado, olive oil, and rice water and did a mask, so I could kill two birds with one stone. And with that, I kind of like that method, but at the same time I'm not a huge do-it-yourself person, so I wouldn't want to make that concoction every single time. But after using it, definitely did notice my hair was stronger. But I also noticed that I needed to start adding moisture to my hair because I did not want to experience protein overload. And I did notice that when people's updates, they were starting to say they were experiencing protein overload. Basically, that's when your hair gets too strong from too much protein in your hair, and it can do the opposite and start to break off and your hair will dry out. So I was definitely noticing that my hair was feeling a whole lot stronger within that second use, but also like from where my wash and go, I could tell like by day 4 my hair was starting to feel really dry, and I was definitely going to need to start incorporating more moisture into my routine. So today, for the third time using rice water, I shampooed my hair, and I made sure I used like a shampoo that was pretty moisturizing, and then I went in, sprayed the rice water all over my hair. And this time I did dilute it, but it says on like websites and stuff to actually dilute it so it isn't as strong and as potent. So you can definitely dilute it so it's not as strong, but you can still get the benefits of the rice water and its nutrients. So I made sure to dilute it so that it wasn't as strong and that I don't get protein overload. Because when I washed my hair out today, I definitely noticed that my hair still felt extremely strong. So I was a little nervous about applying the rice water again, so I made sure I diluted it. So after doing that, I followed up with an intense conditioning treatment from Cream of Nature. I don't think I'll be using that again as well because I like that product, but it definitely helps to strengthen your hair as well. But it wasn't too strengthening. Actually, when I washed out my hair felt really good. So I just want to make sure next time I find a deep conditioner that's really just focused on hydrating and moisturizing your hair. So after using that combination, I definitely feel like my curls are looking good. I definitely experienced less shedding so far, and I'm glad I kind of like just nipped it in the bud and made sure I'm doing like more moisture, just bouncing off the protein so that I don't experience protein overload. And also I did apply raw honey on top of my deep conditioner to really make sure that I'm keeping moisture in my hair, since honey is a humectant. So it's definitely going to help keep moisture in my hair. And then I also followed up with very moisturizing products such as the Cream of Nature leave-in milk and their twist and curl pudding. Those are very moisturizing. And then I used my wet line and I did this wash and go for today. So far I do feel like I'm experiencing growth from the rice water. Like a ton of shrinkage, but this is my hair, and I wear this kind of top like almost every video, and it was hitting like a little above it. Now it's hitting like right on it. So definitely I am noticing like a hair growth difference, and I do plan on straightening my hair in like February as well. So oh, this one's going past it. See, this side grows faster. Wow, I'm like really fast in armpit length now. Yeah, my hair is definitely growing. I feel like my hair has gotten a little bit longer. It's definitely gotten stronger. I'm starting to see less shedding. So far so good just from 3 uses of the rice water. And also this time when I did make my rice water, I added a little bit of peppermint oil just for a little bit of added benefits and to make sure that I can avoid that stinky smell. So I did ferment it for 24 hours and also added peppermint oil so I can avoid any smell. But so far, y'all, so good. I definitely also noticed that this 3rd time when I used it, my hair did even more reverting. It's getting even more tighter and kinkier. I definitely had more shrinkage with this wash and go because the curls are gaining that elasticity back and just tightening back up. So overall, my rice water challenge is going pretty good. I do plan on continuing it and seeing what happens. Just making fresh batches, making sure the water is diluted so it's not too potent, making sure my hair gets enough moisture, and yeah, so far so good. Just avoid protein overload. And I might also start spraying it in my hair every day. I'll update you guys on that if I do decide to do that. I noticed that with some people, when they're spraying it in their hair every day, their hair is definitely growing faster. So you just want to make sure you're listening to your hair and seeing how it's reacting to the rice water, if you need to add more moisture along with this or not. And definitely look at your ingredients in your products that you're using, such as your shampoo and your conditioner, and see that it's nothing strengthening, because you don't want too much stuff that's strengthening on your hair. And yeah, so, and just find a routine that works best for you with the rice water. Do you want to spray it in every day? Do you want to combine it with your deep conditioner? Like, what's your methods of using it? And also this time I did leave it in my hair for about 30 minutes, so I left it in way longer, but that's because I knew I had a deep conditioner in my hair that was a bit more moisturizing, so I wasn't too worried about my hair feeling brittle or anything like that. So overall, my hair is feeling really good. It's feeling a lot stronger. It's definitely reduced in breakage and shedding. So yeah, I'm loving the rice water challenge so far. If you guys are doing the rice water challenge, definitely comment down below what you're experiencing with it and how it's going for you guys. I would definitely love to hear about it. And yeah, if you're not already subscribed, hit the subscribe button. We're lit over here. We're almost to 17K and the videos are rolling in. So yeah, I will see you guys all in my next one. Bye guys.
Drip too hard, don't stand too close. You gon' fuck around and drown off this way. Doing all these shows, I've been on the road, I don't care what